Whether you are looking for fresh, organic and carefully selected skincare products for you or a unique, pampering gift for your loved ones, you came to the right place. Mama Grace Natural Skincare offers products developed with your health and well-being in mind. Being tired of generic, artificially formulated cosmetics that are designed to be attractive rather than effective, we have carefully sourced a line of natural, vegan, cruelty-free and recyclable skincare that serve only one purpose: to help you achieve perfect, glowing skin and hair you deserve. Our range of creams, soaps, oils and beard care products help you look beautiful, become confident and discover the best version of yourself. In the only right way. The natural way. Visit www.mgnaturalskincare.com and find new you.